we there yet?
We are, my little Arthur.
Wow, I can't wait to get to the park to play with my friends. Today is my birthday. I'm so happy. Woohoo, we're here. I can see Sophia over there. Sophia. Are you there, Sophia? Hey, Sophia, you all right?
Hi, Arthur. You seem very excited today.
Of course. Today is a special day.
It's special? But why?
Today's my birthday, Sophia. I can't believe you forgot.
Of course it's your birthday. I didn't forget that. I came to the park to celebrate your birthday.
Whew, you scared me.
I bought you a very nice present, Arthur. I think you're going to like it.
But Sophia, I don't see any presents in your hands. I don't think you have presents for me.
Of course not. Mommy, can you get the present for Arthur from under the stroller?
Of course, little one. Here you go, Arthur.
Wow, wow, wow! I can't believe it. You really did buy me a present. Thank you very much, Sophia. You really are a great friend.
You don't have to thank me, Arthur. You're my friend. You deserve a very nice gift. Infantix!